Dear friends, today I am going to discuss about the first lesson in first class in environmental studies. Our neighborhood. Neighborhood means the area around our house is called our neighborhood. The area around our house is called neighborhood. Friends, see, there are so many houses around our house. Those are all called neighborhood. And the people who are living in our neighborhood are called neighbors. Students, are you listening? The people who live near our house are called neighbors. Then go. Places in our neighborhood. A market has many shops. We go to the market to buy fruits, vegetables, clothes, and other items of use. Nearby our house, there are so many markets are there. For what purpose we are going to market? We are going to market to buy fruits, vegetables, clothes, and other items of use. Next one, school. Daily we go to the school to study.
Okay.
There are so many schools also there near our home. Right? What is the name of your school?
Rasafa school.
Yes, good. Then so many parks are also there in our neighborhood. For what purpose we are going to park? We go to the park to play. A park has different types of swings. We should keep our park clean and not pluck flowers. We always clean the park and we should not pluck the flowers. Next one, post office. We go to a post office to post letters and buy stamps. For what purpose we are going to post office? To post letters and to buy stamps. A postman, what is the duty of the postman? The duty of the
Post letter.
Yes, good. The duty of the postman is to post the letters or to deliver the letters to the homes. Next, hospital. We go to the hospital when we are
Sick.
yes, we go to a hospital when we are sick. Doctors in the hospital treat us. What they will do?
Treat us.
And the nurses look after us. Nurses are playing important role in the hospital. Nurses are taking care of us. If the doctors treat us, then the nurses look after us. Next one, police station. Every neighborhood also have police station. Policemen keep us and our things safe. The policeman duty is to
Lusters.
to safeguard us. Okay? Besides these places, our neighborhood may also have a bus stand, taxi stand, airport, bank, railway station, and places of worship such as a temple, gurudwara, and church. What is the meaning of worship? Showing respect and love for God by praying or singing. Okay? Normally, people what the people are doing on Sundays? They will go to church, or they will go to masjid, or they will go to a temple. All the places in our neighborhood are important for us. Okay? All the places in our neighborhood are important for us. What are the places in our neighborhood? Police station,
Police station.
post office,
Police station. Police
Post office.
Post office.
Market,
Market.
hospital,
Hospital.
School.
Park.
park. All these places are important for us. Besides all this, there are temples and churches. See, now I will ask the questions. Just give an answer. Look at me. A dash delivers letters to our home. Who delivers the letters to our home? Tell me.
Postman.
Super. Next question. We go to dash to study. Where we go to study?
School.
Yes. We go to the dash to play.
What's the name?
Vashi, tell me, Vashi.
Daddy.
Vashi, tell me. We go to the dash to study.
School.
Yes. We go to the dash to play.
Park.
We go to the dash when we are sick.
Hospital.
Next, match the column A with column B. Column A, swings. Where we will go for swings?
Park.
Yes. Envelopes?
Post.
Yes. Post office. Fruits?
Market.
Doctors?
Hospital.
Yes. Next, answer the following questions. What do we call people who live near our homes?
Neighborhood.
Neighbors. Okay. Next question. Where do we go to the post letters?
Post.
Yes.
Postman.
Post office.
Post office.
See the question. Where do we go to post letters? Post office.
Post office.
Who post the letters? Then
Post office.
postman.
Postman.
The place where we post letters is post office. Who will deliver the letters? Postman. What are the temples? Gurudwara.
Gurudwara.
What do the nurses do? They will look after us.
Us.
Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow we will go for second lesson.